Happy holidays. Today we got a Dyson V8 Absolute Vacuum, my Christmas present, and we're gonna do an unboxing and test of this new vacuum cleaner. We're gonna go ahead and do unboxing. All right, so we have an instruction booklet and some warranty information, and as well as how to activate your warranty. We have the stem, the attachments, which you get 3 with it standard, and you can buy more on their website. Thinking about Debbie's children. You have the power cord for the charger. The actual base itself. The wall stand for the charger and to hang it up. And the Absolute comes with the 2 different heads. First one is the motor head for carpet cleaning. And this is the soft roller head. So you can see you get both heads with the V8 Absolute. And you also get the mini roller. Thank you. So for now, I'm going to set the attachments to the side. So for assembly, there's the 3 parts. And you have the assembly card here. So you're going to clip this into place, and then you're going to clip whichever head you want to use. Alright guys, this is everything unboxed and unpackaged from the Dyson V8 Absolute cord-free vacuum. You can see it comes with the 2 bigger roller heads, the smaller one which I've already attached to the unit, the wall mounting chargeable stand, and then the 3 other small tools, the crevice tool, and then some of the other furniture dusting tools. Alright, you can see my little one is excited about vacuuming. This unit says to charge it first before you use it, so I've gone ahead and plugged it into the wall, and we're going to let it charge for 5 hours before we go ahead and do the review on it. Plugs in right here to the back of the handle on the unit. You have also the dispensing for the bin right there. And then you have max suction mode and high suction extended run. If you run it on max suction, then you'll get limited use compared to running it on the high suction extended run option. So if you have just a quick spill, you can use that max suction, or if you have a little bigger of a mess throughout the house, you can do the high suction extended run. But to charge fully before use, you'll see that on the trigger button here where you use the device. And you can see on the button that if it's blinking, it is empty, please recharge. So it says that once it gets to all 3 lights, it'll be fully charged. And it says it'll take about 5 hours to do that. So we're gonna go ahead and wait for this to charge and then we will tune back in. There was also a Black Friday special when I ordered this Dyson V8 Absolute Vacuum. So it came with $75 worth of extra pieces. So I have here the quick release up top adapter, the quick release mattress tool, and the quick release extension hose. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what those look like. So this one is the quick release up top adapter. So this one I'll show you guys later once it charges. We also have the mattress tool, which is great for cleaning like all the dust mites and nasty things that get on your bed. And you can see it just has a fine carpet tool. And then the extension hose for having some bendability and flexibility to get into those little areas that you want to reach. So those are the 3 bonus tools that came with it if you happen to catch one of those coupon codes on Dyson's website directly. This one is the yellow color, but as you can see, it's definitely more of an orange in person. All right, so before you put the wall mount up, you need to push the charger piece into the stand and then thread it through the back here, push it into the tracks, and this way, that when you have your charging stand hanging, it can be plugged in. All right, so to put up the charging base, you're gonna need a drill bit that fits into the anchors that are provided, and you have 2 anchors and 2 screws that come with the kit. Then you're gonna put the anchor into the hole. All right, so now you're going to put the charging base back up over the anchors and screw it in place with the 2 screws provided. All right, and now the charger base has been installed. All right, so now that your charger base is on the wall, you can go ahead and store and charge your vacuum by clicking it into the base. All right, so you can see the vacuum is fully set up, charging, and on the charging stand now. All right, I'm just gonna show you guys a quick use of this with the carpet head attachment on how quickly it can suck up some baking soda that is on my rug to refresh it. You can see in no time flat how great of a job it did.
I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please go ahead and subscribe and like this video so I can keep bringing you guys more videos.